So I've got 5 of these solar lights. I got them a couple years ago and they stopped working. And the batteries are good, they test good with my meter. So I took them apart, and what I found is these switches are going high resistance. You can clean them and it didn't really seem to do anything. So I shorted out the board on the side that I wanted, which in this case is the RGB rotating colors, or I could have went the other top 2 with the middle, and I could have got white light based on the switch positions on these. And then put it back together and you'll have a working light.